Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you double exposure photo editing in Picsart. Open the Picsart application. Click on edit a photo option. Then choose a white color background. Next go to the tool, click on crop and select portrait mode. Then click on right. Click on add photo. Select the background image. Click on plus, add photo, select another image. Crop it and drag it. Go to eraser, click on erase, set the size, opacity and hardness, then erase it. Click on right and again click on right. Click on add photo, select the image and add it. Next click on eraser, choose the person and erase it. Click on right, go to adjust and adjust the tools. Click on right, again click on right, once more click on add photo, I can choose this image, drag it to perfect place, go to the blend and the blending mode is lighten. Click on eraser, erase the image, set the size, opacity and hardness and erase it. Click on right. I can add another image. Select the image and add it. Next go to blend and the blending mode is normal. Click on eraser and erase it. Click on right. Go to the adjust and adjust it. Click on right. Add photo and select the photo. Click on crop and crop the image. Then click on right. Next, go to the blending mode is screen. Click on flip rotate and rotate it. Click on eraser and erase it. Click on right. Next, go to sticker. Searching bird. I can choose this one. And click on eraser and erase it. Click on right. Next, go to the draw. Choose the color. Click on brush. Reset the size, opacity and hardness. And brush it. Click on add object, stickers and search bird. I can choose this one. Click on eraser and erase it. Click on right, discard it. Go to the effects. In effects, click on HDR. Reset the HDR tool. Click on right and Save the image to the gallery.